In conclusion, we've looked at the core applications inside of Microsoft Office 365 to determine how we can use them more productively. You're probably aware that the core applications, as well as two of the productivity applications, OneDrive and Outlook, also work on the desktop. But you've seen the potential of being able to collaborate in real time in applications such as Teams and Microsoft Office 365 Planner. But in order to maximize the real-time potential of working in Microsoft Office 365, you'll want to take the applications that are available on mobile and you'll want to install them also. Not only does this give you access to this shared workspace, but it also gives you access to other members of your team in real time. And it makes working on your applications in the cloud the most efficient way of being able to use this system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.